And your kids for ticks when you've been outside. Right now, tick season is at its peak, and doctors say this may be one of the worst seasons ever.
Along with the ticks comes diseases like Lyme. The CDC says they've seen a dramatic uptick in the cases over the past 5 years.
New at 6, our Dan Messinio has talked with a doctor who focuses on patients who have Lyme disease.
It's a routine Kathy Wallace of Baldwinsville knows all too well. She's in for her monthly checkup with Dr. Stephen Bock. Wallace has been living with Lyme disease for close to a decade.
Most people don't know that they've been bit by a tick. So if you do notice that you're having symptoms of exhaustion, of fever, aches and pains, any types of chills, then you get to a doctor and have yourself tested for Lyme.
And Kathy isn't alone. The CDC reports around 300,000 cases a year in the U.S. The latest numbers in Onondaga County are from 2015. Showing 127 reported cases, and experts expect this year to be bad.
I've had people come in with more ticks now than I have ever seen.
Dr. Stephen Bock has taken a special interest in Lyme disease and has been treating it for 30 years. He travels from downstate to Syracuse to see patients. He says the number of cases in central New York is on the rise.
Observation of yourselves or your children every day, because you want to catch that tick before it latches on. Now the CDC says it's got to be on for 24 to 48 hours. I found they can transmit Lyme as early as 6 hours.
Dr. Bock says Lyme disease is difficult to diagnose. The majority of people don't even know they've been bitten by a tick. Also, the symptoms are similar to several other illnesses, and the testing for it can be unreliable.
Don't think it can't happen to you, because it can. You want to stay out of tall grass. Ticks like to live on tall grass. They don't fly, they don't jump, they crawl, and they crawl from the bottom up. So really, your legs are key in protection.
Protecting your family and yourself from a small bug that can cause big trouble. Reporting in Syracuse, I'm Dan Messinio.
Important advice.